the wind and my thumb. The roads which are less traveled. I don't pick a destination, I pick a direction and go to the powerful lands, the peoples, the mountains, the river, the happiness, the confidence, the love. If you don't ride in the rain, you don't ride. Actually, and sometimes it takes a whole tank full of fuel before you can think straight. I strive for the love, the life, and yeah, I see it both in my bike. The roads which are less traveled. Riding is a complicated joy. You learn something each time. It is never quite the same, and you never know it all. All I know is 4 wheels move the body, 2 wheels move the soul. And my soul is riding high.